video features Ryan's World toys that Ryan helped create.
Hey guys, Chef Ryan here, and I have my latest invention, the fridge surprise. Let's open it up. Okay guys, here's the fridge surprise. And you're asking what's inside the fridge surprise? Well, there is surprises! Okay, let's see what this one is. Yogurt! Here comes some slimy yogurt. Whee! Whoa, and here's some sprinkles. Whoa! Dip it in here, dip. It looks like a yummy treat, right? But don't eat because it's slime. Now we have the Combo Panda pickle jar. Whoa!
Figures do not make sounds.
It's me, Ryan. Next we have some butter. Ooh, it's sand butter. I think I need something to cut it. Maybe it'll be in one of these. Okay, we got some eggs. It comes with 4 egg surprises. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Egg surprise has... It's super tiny. Okay, and whoa, it's a pineapple mug. And the second egg is... It's pizza! It's a water bottle with a mug handle. It's a popsicle, Peck's favorite. Right, Peck?
Gosh, that's right, Ryan. I hope you'll share some popsicles with me.
I forgot to tell you guys, just like a real fridge, when you open it, the lights turn on. Now let's go to the freezer. Let's see what's inside. It's building bricks to build your own, Chef Ryan. I'm gonna need Daddy for this one. There it is, guys, Chef Ryan. Let's continue our freezer surprise. Okay. Whoa, there's a bunch of surprises. Whoa. Okay, let's open up these giant-sized ice cubes.
Figures do not make sounds. Hi,
With
little gators.
2 popsicles. Next, it's Alphalexa holding 3 ice creams.
Cool.
See what's inside this last one. It's Combo holding a giant pink ice cream.
This ice cream is super yummy.
You can also, after you're done, put your ice cubes in this ice dispenser right here. Okay, you close it and you press this button and the ice will come out. Whoa, that was so fun. Let's do it again. Ooh, that one's my favorite. Okay, let's continue opening our surprises. It's a butter knife. I can use it to cut my sand butter. Whoa. Cut. Sand butter. See? It's stickers. I can use them to decorate my fridge. Right here. Boom. And I'm gonna put Peck. Hi guys, I'm Peck. I'm gonna put Combo right here. Hi guys, I'm Combo. Okay, and I'm gonna put Mo eating a lemon right here. And I'm gonna put Gus eating some chips right. Hi guys, I'm eating some chips. I almost forgot. At the front of the surprise fridge, there is a dry erase board. I'm gonna write a shopping list of what I need. I need some eggs. I need some milk. And I need some orange juice. And I need some pizza.
Parents, you can find the Ryan's World Chef Ryan's Fridge Surprise available now at your favorite retailers. Open the Chef Ryan's Fridge Surprise to discover 15 foodie items to collect. Cook with Ryan. Ryan's World Chef Ryan's Fridge Surprise comes with 1 built-it figure, 4 minifigures, 5 stickers, and food mystery surprises and accessories.
Bye guys, thank you for watching. Remember, stay happy and rise up. Bye! Surprise fridge.
This video featured Ryan's World toys that Ryan helped create.